Hello students. In our last two videos we have seen how to create a company and few shortcuts that we can use. In this video we will see how to create ledger in Tally. Okay. So what is ledger? Ledger is just simply an account where we maintain the records of business transactions. Okay. So the basic or common ledgers that we use are cash, suppliers, customers, purchases, sales, and bank. Okay, so let's begin. So to create the ledgers, we have to be in Gateway of Tally, which is the main menu of Tally. Okay, so in Gateway of Tally, from Gateway of Tally we'll go to Accounts Info. So as I have said, in shortcuts to go to account info is A, since A is in bold, so let's do. Then I have to go to ledgers, then I will go to create option. Okay, so let's say first we will create a suppliers account. So let's write a company name, say RK Hardwares. Alright, then we'll select under which account. So as since it is supplier account, we'll go to creditors. So shortcut is what we can type it out, the name. So it's so you can select it. Okay, next let us create a customers account, say then the customer account, since it is customer account, it will go to sundry debtors. Okay, similarly now if you want to create a bank account, say bank, which will come in the group bank accounts. Okay, so these are few optional details you can enter: the account number, IFS code, bank name, branch. Okay, so this is when you will enter is when you are going to do transaction through checks. At that time we basically enter these details, so this is optional. All right, so say to save any details in the given screen, we can directly do what? Control plus A. If we press Control plus A, directly these details will be saved. Say let's create a purchase account. All right, so now if I click Control A, the whole details will be saved. I don't have to go till the last option. So Control plus A, the whole details is saved. If you want to go to your previous screen, what you have to click is escape, right? Okay, so if I have to go directly to the previous screen, I will click escape. Okay, then if I have to see the ledgers that I have created, I will go to display option. Here it is the display option. Okay, so see all these bank account, purchase account, Raj Rai, RK Hardware, these all accounts we have created, or these all ledgers we have created now, right? But you can see there are two more ledgers, that is cash and profit and loss, that has been already created. So these will be already be there, the cash account and profit and loss account. All right, again let's say I have to create a ledger called expense, and in that ledger I will maintain two more ledgers or two more accounts, that is rent account or and office expenses account. Okay, so at that time what we can do is we can directly go to multiple ledgers. So when there is the option to create a multiple ledgers. Under one ledger we can create different ledgers, so that is multiple ledgers. So we'll go to create in multiple ledgers. Okay, so we'll give the name of the group. So since it is expenses, so expenses indirect, say multiple ledger, first is rent, sorry, rent account, and then say office expenses. Okay, so if I have to save multiple accounts, multiple ledgers under one group, then I can do it directly in multiple ledgers. At once it will be created. All right, let's see. Sorry. So here it came, office expenses account and rent account. It's already added now, right? So this is the way how we can create the ledgers. All right, thank you. I hope you have understood.